Hello and welcome to Best Online Tutorials. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a photo to a shape in Canva. What you want to do is to either search for frames in the search field, or you could just scroll down to frames, click it. And as you can see, there is a lot of shapes you can use. It's letters, it's numbers, it's puzzle, uh, just about everything, anything. So for this video, we're just going to use heart, and then we can uh, resize it to the size we want to have. And then go to uploads, find a photo. For this video, we're just going to use this landscape picture. We just drag it. There you have it. That's how you add a photo to a shape in Canva. See you in the next video.